Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making tilapia and roasted pepper sauce. And these are the ingredients. And we start off by adding to a hot pan 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter starts melting, we can add our tilapia to the hot pan. And we add salt and pepper to taste on both sides. And we fry our tilapias for 5 minutes on each side, or until well cooked and not pink. On the meanwhile, we're gonna start with our roasted peppers. We start by adding half a cup of our roasted peppers to a blender. And we start making our roasted peppers puree. The other half of the roasted peppers, we just dice them really well. Okay, our tilapias have been frying for 5 minutes, so it's time to turn them over so they can fry on the other side. Once they're done, we remove them from the pan and we set them aside. In the same pan, we add the remaining 1.5 tablespoons of butter and we add the chopped onion. And we saute the onion for 3 to 4 minutes or until translucent. Okay, and now it's time to add our chopped and pureed roasted peppers, and we cook this for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes cooking, we then add our half and half, or if you want, you can use heavy cream. We then add a little bit of salt. Okay, and we add our Parmesan cheese and we cook this for 1 to 2 minutes. And we return the tilapia to the pan and we cover it with the sauce. Remember guys, you can always double on this recipe to make more, okay? And we garnish with a little bit of parsley. And we are done, guys. This recipe is super easy. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you make it with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and comment. Enjoy, guys. Bye.